Shani Dev, Lord who blesses you as per your karma, is called a magistrate, is considered as justifiable, who can make a king a pauper and vice versa with his vision. It is believed that on Amavasya of Jesht month, Shani was born as the child of Suryadev and Chaya, and on this day, Shani Jayanti is celebrated. The body of Shanidev Maharaj is similar to that of Kanti, Indraneel like Mani. He has a golden crown on his head, a garland around his neck, and blue robe on his body. He rides on the vulture and holds the bow and arrow, trident, and square posture respectively in his hands. The initial deities of Shanidev are Prajapati Brahma and Pratyadi Devta is Yam. His body color is of Krishna, vehicle is vulture, and chariot is made up of iron. It is said Shani lives for 30 months in a single house of planetary motion of astrology. He is the lord of Capricorn and Aquarius and has a Mahadasha of 19 years. For the peace of the Lord Almighty, one should chant Mahamrityunjay mantra, wear Neelam gemstone, and donate sesame, urad, buffalo, iron, oil, black cloth, sapphire, black cow, shoe, musk, and gold to a Brahmin. Shani is considered as a cruel planet. The cruelty in his eyes is due to the curse of his wife. This is how the story came in the Dharma Puran. Shani was an ardent devotee of Lord Krishna since childhood. He used to immerse in the affection of Sri Krishna. His father married him to the daughter of Chitrarath. His wife was Sati Sadhvi and supremely stunning woman. One night, she came close to him with the desire to have a son, but he was engrossed in the meditation of Sri Krishna and during meditation least cared about the outside world. His wife, tired of waiting, got angry upon him and cursed Shani Dev that from today onwards whosoever will you see will be destroyed. After his meditation, Shani Dev made his wife understand about the curse and his wife also repented for her mistake. But she did not have the power to retaliate the curse. Since then, the sight of Saturn, which falls on anybody, changes their lives. According to popular beliefs, Saturn is considered as cruel and sinful planet and is considered to give inauspicious results. But it is not so, because Shani is the god of justice and is the one who gives fruits according to the karma. He gives bad punishment for bad karma and good results to those who do good deeds. Now, let us know the method of Shani Puja. Shani Dev is worshipped just like any other gods and goddesses, and fasting is also maintained. Person observing the fast after taking bath shall wear blue or black clothes. A new blue colored or black colored cloth shall be placed on the wooden plank. Then do the sthapna of the idol of Shani Dev on it. If there is no idol or picture, then put the betel nut and little lamp of pure ghee on one side and a lamp of oil on the other side. Then burn the incense sticks. Then offer Panchagavya, Panchamrit, Itra, etc. Offer Sindoor, Kumkum, Kajal, Abir, Gulal, etc. as well as blue or black flowers to Shani Dev. Offering oil to Shani Dev is considered to be very pious. You can also offer other fruits along with coconut. After this process of Panchopchar and worship, chant a rosary of Shani mantra. After chanting the mala, recite Shani Chalisa. Then complete the puja by doing Aarti of Shani Dev. Now, some important things to keep in mind. On the day of Shani Jayanti, or particularly on Saturdays when we worship Shani Dev, oil should be massaged on the body before taking bath. Along with Shani Dev, one must also worship Hanumanji. Brahmacharya should be practiced on the day of Shani Jayanti or Shani Puja. Travel should also be postponed on this day. Offer food made in oil to a needy poor person. While looking at the image or picture of Shani Dev, it should not be seen directly in his eyes.